What is up, my brothers? What is up? Today we will be reviewing Lattafa Fakhar. Okay, this fragrance. This fragrance. Listen, this has to be top 3 from Lattafa. Easily top 3 from Lattafa, man. Oh, easily. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is a clone of YSL EDP, right? And let me tell you, this fragrance, to me, it's a one-to-one. And I don't say that often. But to me, this is a one-to-one. Like, you don't need YSL EDP with this fragrance. This is the perfect signature scent. Like, to be honest, if you needed just one Lattafa fragrance to be your signature, I would recommend this 100%. It's just so good. It's so clean smelling. You can wear this anywhere. You can wear this to your ex's funeral. You can wear this. You can wear this. You can wear this to jail. You can wear this, bro. You can wear this when you're robbing a bank, bro. Like, and you would probably get compliments from all the hostages, bro. You would probably get compliments, bruh. This thing does give you compliments, man. Like majority, like women like clean shower gel type of fragrances, man. And this is exactly that. A clean, it just smells like you just came out the shower. Clean ass motherfucker. Clean ass, man. Like, this fragrance. Like, chat, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I bought this as a gift for someone. And then I smelled it, right? I decided to open up the box. I smelled it. Then I'm like, you know what? Fuck that. I'm not giving you this. Like this is supposed to be a gift for someone. I bought this for someone. But then the second I smelled it, I'm like, hell nah. You can get your own shit. Hell nah. Like, everywhere. And I'm happy. To be honest, listen, I'm a gift giver, right? But I'm happy I didn't give this away, because this gives me a shit ton of compliments, man. Like, no joke, Lattafa, fuck her, bruh. Oh my god, this gives a crazy amount of compliments. No lie, man. You just smell fresh and clean, and like a real ass boy, bruh. Not a real ass boy, a real ass man. Anyways, though, listen, if you haven't gotten your nose on this, get this fragrance, man. Lattafa. Hey, get this fragrance, man. Real quick, let me show you. Let me show. Oh, I was gonna show y'all the box, but like, I'm naked, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I only got this sweater on, bro. I'm naked, bro. So I can't even get up to show y'all the box, bro. But listen, bro. Just get this fragrance, man. Listen. Just get this, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You can wear this shit anywhere, man. Anywhere, any season, any occasion, date night. It doesn't matter, bro. This fragrance can do everything. No joke. You can wear this anywhere, and it will fit any occasion. Doesn't matter the weather, season, day, night, black, white. Just wear this, man. It's so good. Just wear it, man. 10 out of 10 from Lattafa, man. Shout out Lattafa.